you click the first link in the description, it's actually bring it right here. As you can see, and screen right here, one side, how you need to do just to put your phone number, enter the captcha, put your password, and click on this sign up. And but this website is launched today, so you need to invest what you can afford to. Yes, also it's actually bring it right here. Once all you need to do is just to click on this product. Once you click on this product, you see the packages right there. You are giving 100 naira as a welcome bonus. Right, the minimum recharge right there is 1.5. So once you invest 1,500 and that earning 225 daily, which is 15%. If you invest 2,000, you're not earning 600 a day. If you invest 5,000, you're not earning 1 day. So it's left for you to invest what you can afford to lose. Very, very important. So you can see their packages right there. So if I click on this profile right here, you can see that you can always contact them, the customer support right there. Just click on this customer support right there. You can always message the customer support. You can see that the customer support right there is online. So you can always message them if you have any issue. So right there, just for you to invest what you can afford to do. So to invest, all you need to do is just come right here, click on the product that you want to buy. Assuming I want to buy value of 5,000 naira, I click on this buy. Once I click on this buy, I choose to do it right here. All I need to do is just come right here and click on this day one. I click on this buy. Once I click on this buy, the same right here, I need to make, I click on this OK. I need to make payment to this account right here. You can see the account number right here. I see the account right here. Once you make payment, come back right here and put your account number and your account name and click on submit. Very, very important. And always invest what you can afford to lose. This is an investment platform. So after that, for you to withdraw, you need to put your bank details. Come right here and click on this my card. Click on this my card. Then come right here, put your account name, put your bank, select your bank right here, any bank you're using. Come and put your account number and click on this submit. Then if you want to withdraw your money, just click on this withdraw right here. To bring the right here, you can see that right here that the minimum amount right here to withdraw is 1,000 naira. So no fee. They are not charging you for any withdrawal fee. So this is how this website works. So you need to invest what you can afford to do. Very, very important. If actually you are in this video, all I want to do from you is to subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you for watching.